My name is Chris Pizzina. I'm the Vice President of Operations at Savage Arms. What's really cool is here at Savage in Westfield, we manufacture our rifles soup to nuts. We start off with making barrels from bar stock, where we go through a multi-step process of gun drilling our barrels, reaming, we button rifle our barrels to go ahead and turn them. We hand straighten all of our barrels, which is pretty unique in this industry, to help provide the most accurate barrel that we believe in the market today. We also manufacture a lot of our other components, such as our receivers. We start off with billet bar stock and we machine our receivers soup to nuts. We do all of our own heat treating. We do our own post-processing, meaning we shot blast, we either passivate or black oxide the actions. We do all of our final assembly and test of the entire firearm, where it's quality control checked, over 37 different times as it goes through the factory, which is pretty unique to assure that our customers get the best possible product. After everything is tested and checked, it's packaged up. All of our employees take a lot of pride in what we do, and we're constantly looking for ways to improve how we manufacture our product, to improve the quality, improve the performance of the product, and most importantly, to provide the most value to our customers. So we can't get there without our employees. Our employees are our most valuable resource. So our employees, a lot of them have average over 8 or 9 years of employment here at Savage, so we're very proud of that. And we actually get them involved throughout the entire process to come up with ways of improving how we manufacture our product. And they're an integral part of our success, so we couldn't have gotten there without them. One of the things that's unique in today's world for this industry is, 5, 6, 8 years ago, when there was a huge boom in the marketplace, we'd get orders in and they would go out 26 weeks or 12 weeks or 8 weeks to fill an order. We've kind of refined our manufacturing process so much that we're now able to respond very quickly to meet our customers' demands. So a lot of times we get orders in the same month and we're able to respond to those orders because of the improvements we've made of processing our guns through the factory. So we are able to respond very quickly.